Good evening. Welcome to Westside United Church here in Pence. We're gathered here on Friday evening, April the 24th, 2020, to honor and to remember those who were killed in the murders this week in our province of Nova Scotia. As we gather on this night, we light the candle to celebrate the presence of God in our midst. God of light and hope and energy, in the midst of this uncertain day, surround us with your presence. Surround our family, our friends, and our neighbors. Surround our community, our country, and all around the world. Holy mystery, holy love. May this light encourage, inspire, and guide us through the coming days. Amen. So as part of our gathering, we will relight the candles that we lit the other evening to honor those and to remember those whose lives have been cut short, those who have died. We light a candle to remember those named, those unnamed. We remember and light a candle for those who are impacted deeply by these deaths and these murders, for the communities, for their families, for their friends. We light a candle for those who responded, both the RCMP and all emergency response people throughout the province. We light a candle also for the people of Nova Scotia and those who hold Nova Scotia close to their hearts. Hold on to these lights, and we will ring our bell to honor and to remember